Ang hirap pong matulog kasi
I gained so much weight that even my undies don't fit anymore.
Hi guys, my name is Ara and you're watching Buntis Vlog. So what's up for this week? The most significant update that I could give you for this week is that nahihirapan po akong matulog sa gabi kasi nga po lumalakas na po yung bawat galaw ni baby. From flits and twitches during the second trimester, nagiging jabs and punches na po ngayon. Ang hirap pong matulog kasi kahit saan po ako nakaharap, on my left, on my right, hyper po yung baby ko, which is also a good thing kasi nga alam mo, literally alive and kicking yung baby inside mo. Pero yun na nga, nahihirapan kang matulog kasi gumagalaw siya every 12 midnight hanggang 2 a.m. Pag well-rested kasi yung body mo, doon yung time na nagiging hyper din yung baby inside. Pero pag gumagalaw ka, like in the morning, naglalakad or may mga activities ka, the baby is sleeping during that time. Kasi parang naaantok sila or inaantok sila with your movements. So yun, tuwing gabi, active yung baby. And another thing kung bakit nahihirapan po akong matulog sa gabi, it's because of my acid reflux. Sabi nila, normal lang daw yan during third trimester. Pero, ang hirap pala, no? Ang hirap pala pag parang sabay yung dalawa, yung baby's movements, tsaka yung acid reflux. Anyway, since it's the start of the 7th month, I am sharing with you guys the 7 memorable things that I have experienced so far during my pregnancy. I suddenly liked green mangoes and I didn't like eating chicken. I gained so much weight that even my undies don't fit anymore. Now I'm happy, later I'm sad, and the worst thing, I hated some people. When you're pregnant, you get special treatment everywhere and every time. It was the saddest pregnancy update, and it's basically the reason why I need to file for a long leave of absence at work. It's the most miraculous part of being a woman. Imagine another human being is moving inside you. Next, thanks to endorphins and estrogen. So this ends my 28-week pregnancy update. Guys, if you're interested to watch the previous weekly pregnancy update, please click the link at the description box below. Thank you so much guys for watching. God bless and to God be the glory.